Construction Monitor is a quarterly survey of the membership of the Scottish Building Federation. Our membership consists of hundreds of industry employers, from sole traders to the largest national contractors, and located throughout Scotland from Orkney to the borders. Each quarter we ask our members to rate how confident they are about the prospects of their business over the next 12 months compared to the past year. The industry confidence has fallen back approximately 9 points this quarter. Overall, it remains in a positive territory at +9. The results suggest recovery in the industry and across the economy as a whole remains quite fragile. At the same time, it's encouraging to see a consecutive quarter where the confidence rating is positive. This quarter, we also asked our members a series of questions about their experience of material and supply costs over the past 5 years. On average, our members are telling us that they're spending around 1/3 of their annual turnover on material and supply costs. Unfortunately, almost 2 out of 3 of our membership that responded said they are unable to pass the rising supply costs fully onto their customers, and this has eroded their profit margins. Companies are most concerned about the rising costs of fuel, and building supplies overall seem to be of particular concern. Employers see the greatest scope to reduce their cost in categories such as telephone and internet. In addition to that, vehicle and fleet costs, with also coming in, very importantly, building supplies and machinery. Unfortunately, though, they seem to have a limited scope to reduce their fuel costs. A majority of our companies say that rising supply costs is now a major priority issue for their businesses. Clearly, the rising cost of supplies is of major concern to many of our members. Customers from the public and private sectors need to understand the pressure construction companies are under due to the significant rise in supply costs. SBF will continue to work with industry suppliers to try to secure the best possible value for our membership. At the same time, customers need to be aware that if they do push too hard on a price without proper understanding of the rising supply and material costs, they do risk encouraging suicide bidding for contracts, which is clearly not in the interest of anybody.